Hi kids, welcome to Enhance Your Learning, Environmental Studies for Grade 2, Unit 1, Myself, Lesson 3, Keeping Clean and Fit. In last class, we have seen why we need to keep our body clean and fit and what are the personal cleanliness measures we have to take to keep ourselves clean, right? And today we are going to see about some of the other points. In last class we have seen about the first one, it is personal cleanliness. Okay, under that we have seen how to keep our nose, ears, eyes clean and how to wash our hands, then taking bath, okay, and how to brush our teeth. Okay, everything we have seen in the last class. And the second one is physical exercise. Okay, why we need to do physical exercise? Because physical exercise is good for our health. Physical exercise is good for our health. What do you mean by physical exercise? See, this one, exercising daily, walking, running, jumping, skipping, breathing exercise, swimming and cycling. Okay, these are all the physical exercise. Okay, doing physical exercise is good for our health. So kids, you have to do exercise daily. Okay, any exercise you can do. It's not necessary that you have to do exercise, walk, run, jump, skip, okay, swim, cycle every day. Okay, it's not like that. You have to do any form of physical exercise, either running or jumping or skipping. At least some activities you have to do daily to keep yourself fit. Okay, so what are the benefits of doing exercise? Benefits means what? What is the use? Why we need to do exercise? Is it important to do exercise? Yes kids? Yes, why it is important? Because exercise keeps us fit. Your muscles, bone, everything will be strong if you do exercise. See, it makes our muscles and bones strong. It keeps us active throughout the day. If you go for early morning walking, the whole day will be pleasant. Okay, so it keeps us active. You will be more active when you are doing exercise. Your circulation means your blood, your heart will pump more blood to all over your body and you will be very active throughout the day. Okay, it helps us to breathe properly. How this exercise helps us to breathe properly? When you are doing exercise to the lungs, like see, holding here one nostrils and taking breath in. When you are taking breath in, your lungs expands. Okay, so what will happen? More amount of oxygen will go inside and your lung capacity will be more and you will have more oxygen inside, so your blood also will receive more oxygen and you will be healthy throughout the day. Okay, so it will help us to breathe properly. Then it will increase our concentration. How it will increase our concentration? Already I told you, if you are going for walking, your blood pumping capacity of the heart will be more and it will supply blood all over your body and it will keeps you active throughout the day. Because of that, your concentration will increase. Some kids will be sleepy always in the classroom, but those who are doing exercise in the morning and going to class will be more active than those who are not doing exercise. Okay, then encouraging healthy growth and development. So already we have studied the growth and development stages, right? So if you are doing exercise, your growth and development stages will be proper. Okay, proper growth and development will take place for you if you are doing exercise. Why we need to do physical exercise? What are the physical exercise? Jumping, running, skipping, walking, cycling, swimming and other breathing exercises. Okay, next we'll move on to diet. Good diet. What do you mean by good diet? So in the previous class also I explained what do you mean by balanced diet, what do you mean by nutritious diet, right? So different kinds of food play different roles in our body. So different kinds of food play different roles in our body. Okay, so some kids will say, I like only chapati, I don't want dosa. Or I like only dosa, I don't want chapati. Or I will take only vegetables, not fruits. Okay, so when you are skipping some of the food, you are not getting enough nutrients which is required for your body, because different kind of food will play different roles in your body. Understand? So we'll see what you mean by balanced diet. So balanced diet means it's the food which contains all the nutrients in right quantity. Such diet is called a balanced diet. Okay, so what do you mean by balanced diet? It is the food which contain all the nutrients means what? So the food you are taking daily must contain cereals and pulses, vegetables, fruits, milk and milk products, egg and meat products. Okay, so these are all the different food items which has different nutrients. Okay, next one is enough rest. So what you have seen? You have seen about physical exercise, and we need to have good diet. Okay, and the third one is enough rest. Okay, enough rest is more important. Okay, what do you mean by rest? Rest means what? Yes, of course, very good. Rest means it is freedom from activity or work. No work at all. You are not doing anything. Simply you are taking rest. Rest means it is freedom from activity. No work. You are free. You are freedom from activity and you are taking enough rest. Okay. So what do you mean by rest? Rest means freedom from activity or work. Why this rest is important in our life? What are the uses of taking rest? So rest refreshes our body and mind. You are so tired, you are not taking rest and you are not sleeping. How you will be? You will be irritated, you will be angry. Okay, you will be angry, you will be crying, you will be always going and troubling your parents. Instead, if you are tired, you go and sleep, and after 1 or 2 hours you get up and see, you will feel the freshness of your body and mind. Okay, so if you are taking enough rest, your body and mind will be refreshed. Okay, next, it improves attention and behavior. If you are not taking proper rest at night and going to the classroom, what you will do? You will simply sitting there and sleeping, right? And your behavior will not be good with your friends. But you are taking adequate rest, enough rest at night, and you are going to the school. How you will be? You will be more active, isn't it? Your attention span will increase and you will behave good with your friends. Okay, so sleep improve your attention and behavior. And next, it improves learning and memory. If you are fresh, your mind is fresh, whatever the teacher teach in your class, you will easily understand. Instead, if you are not taking rest and you are restless, how can you understand what the teacher is teaching? It's very difficult, right? So if you are taking enough rest, you can learn very fast and you will remember whatever you have learned in the school. It improves learning and memory. Okay, next we will move on to right posture. What do you mean by posture? Posture means the way we sit, stand or walk. Okay, posture means the way we sit, stand or walk. See, while you are sitting in the chair, you should sit straight. Okay, while you are sitting in the chair, you should sit straight. Instead, if you are sitting like this for a long time, what will happen? After 1 or 2 hours, your back will pain. Okay, you will have a back pain. Instead, if you are sitting straight with your back support and your chest upright, you won't feel back pain. You can sit for a long time. Okay, so posture means the way we sit, stand or walk. So while sitting, you have to sit straight and your chest means this part, chest must be upright. Okay, and while you are standing, you have to stand erect. Erect means straight. You have to stand straight. And while walking also, you have to walk straight. Why you need to walk straight or stand straight and sit straight? Because the posture helps you to grow your bones properly. So if you are sitting like this for a long time and every day you are going to the class and sitting like this, automatically your bone will also have a curve like this. Okay, your bone also will have a curve like this. Instead, if you are sitting straight, walking straight and standing straight, and your bone will grow in a proper way. Okay, so next we will see what are the uses or benefits of maintaining good posture. See what are the benefits of good posture. Bones to grow properly and keeps them strong. Okay, so already I told you, if you are sitting upright, walking straight, standing straight, your bone will grow properly. That bones will be more strong. Okay, it improves our breathing. See, if you are sitting like this for a long time, your lungs will not take enough oxygen necessary for our body, because the lungs will not have the space to expand. Instead, if you are sitting like this, your lungs will have enough space to take more oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Okay, so it improves your breathing. Then it improves our muscle health. Okay, so muscles are attached with the bone. So if you are sitting and maintaining a proper posture, it will improve our muscle health also. Then it will improve our circulation and digestion. Circulation means what? Circulation means the heart will pump out the blood which is necessary for our body. Okay, so if you are maintaining the proper posture, all the organs will functions normally. Okay, and digestion also will take place properly. Understood? Next is it improves our concentration. Okay, because when you are sitting like this for a long time, you will have back pain. So what you will think? When this teacher will complete the lesson, I am having back pain, I need to go out of the classroom. Okay, so your concentration is getting decreased here. Instead, if you are sitting straight and listening the class teacher, the lessons will be more interesting and you will think that you need to hear more from the teachers. Okay, next is you can be free from back pain. Okay, you can be free from back pain if you are maintaining the proper posture. Okay, so what are the benefits of right posture? Bones to grow properly and keep them strong, improves our breathing, improves our muscle health, it improves our circulation and digestion, it improves the concentration, and you will be free from back pain. Understood, kids? So what are the ways you will keep your body clean and fit? First one is personal cleanliness. Second one, physical exercise. Third one, you need to eat a good diet. Good diet means balanced diet which contains all the nutrients. Okay, then you have to take enough rest. You have to take enough rest. What do you mean by rest? Rest means freedom from activity or no work. Okay, then you have to maintain a right posture. What do you mean by posture? Posture means the way we sit, walk and stand. Okay, with this I am completing the third lesson, keeping clean and fit. Okay, so you can check in the description box for the lesson 3 quiz. Understood, kids? All the best for all the kids. I know you all will perform excellently. If you like my videos, subscribe to enhance your learning. Thank you.